Hello guys, my second parcel from Temu arrived and I'm really happy about it because when this Temu fever started we thought it was not going to be real, but it's real now. So I just want to do a second unboxing for you guys because I promised myself that I will continue to update you guys on anything I get from Temu. And this Temu parcel has been coming through speed. It has been a very good experience this time around. I've had ugly experiences with speed people in time past, but this time around they are really trying. So without further ado, let me get into the unboxing. Subscribe if you've not, turn on your post notification. I noticed that most people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. It's free. Subscribe and enjoy my content. So the first parcel I got on Temu is a headlight. I got a headlight because I'm crocheting a lot these days. So sometimes I want to crochet in the night and I want to just chill in the room while I'm crocheting. But most nights when I want to go to the room to crochet, my husband is sleeping. So I don't like to disturb him with the light, and it makes me not to crochet at night. So I had to order this headlight. This is what it looks like. It came in this packet. Why is open is because I've actually unboxed it. This is the third unboxing video I'm doing. I've unboxed it before, but the audio of the video was not good, so I had to keep the items so that I can unbox it for you guys again. So this is the packet it came in. It came with a manual and a charger to charge the light, and this is the light. It has two lights. It has this one and this one, and then this is a strap that I'm going to put on my head when I'm crocheting with it, like wear it this way so that I can use it at night. So the second item I got is a roll-on. I've stopped using aluminum roll-on for a while now, so I had to buy this particular mineral salt roll-on from Temu, and I've used it for 2 days and it's actually working. That mineral salt roll-on actually fights the bacteria that make your sweat to smell, because normally your sweat is not supposed to smell. Your sweat is water, but when it comes in contact with the bacteria in your armpits, that's what makes you smell. So that particular roll-on fights the bacteria that comes in contact with your sweat that makes you smell, if you understand what I mean. So I'm going to be showing you guys that now. It came in a protected package, but like I told you guys, I unboxed it, made the video, the audio was bad, I had to remake it again. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and this particular roll-on is going to last for a year and some months. Some people last them for 2 years. The third item I got is a finger counter. Is a stitch counter. Is something I'm using to crochet. Instead of counting stitches with my mouth or with my head, I just tap on the button and it counts for me. So let me show you guys that. So this is the package it came in. It's 2-in-1 finger counter. This particular one is 2-in-1. So it came in white, this one, and black. So I started using the white one since yesterday. So all I do is just to wear it like this in my hand. I wear it this way. As you can see, this is how I wear it. And then I just tap on this button. I tap on this button here. This is what it is. The more I tap, the more it counts. As you can see, I just tap and it counts. So this is what the stitch marker does. Stitch counter, not stitch marker. Finger counter. The last but not the least I got is a crochet hook set. Let me show you guys that. The crochet hook set came in this package. It has 8 sets of crochet. I've made use of this too. I used to finish a project I'm working on, and it has been a very good experience for me. Like I have less pain in my hand crocheting, because some of my crochet hooks is actually metal, so crochet with them can be a hassle sometimes, but this has helped me for the past 2 days I've been using it. So it's safe to say that Temu actually delivers, and I'm going to order the remaining things in my cart because I've tried them 2 times and they've delivered. And Speed, the delivery company, has been trying their best, even though I've had ugly experiences with them in the past. I said in the beginning of this video, but they've been giving me good experience this time around, and I'm happy about it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Check out my other unboxing video. It's actually very short, not as long as this one, but it's something. So check it out and subscribe if you've not. Turn your post notification. Leave me a constructive comment. Tell me what you think about these items I got. Tell me if you'll be ordering from Temu. Tell me if you had any experiences with them or if you've ordered before. I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.